Hala, 9 o'clock is not dark yet. It's 9 o'clock. Hayag pa kaayo. Dili pangit-ngit. See? Did you see that? In the Philippines, 9 o'clock. Oh my goodness, that is very dark there. Here, look at that. 9 o'clock. Still bright, not dark yet. My truck not started. See, they have a moon there, oh. See, that a moon. See? Hayag pa kaayo.